guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Angela for those that don't know me. Today I'm going to be creating a full look. I already did my eyebrows, so let's just get into the video. So I'll be using this Morphe palette. We'll see how we'll play with this palette. It has a lot of colors, so you know we have variety to play around. I will start with priming my lids. I like to use the LA Gal Pro Concealer in Phone. So I prime the entire eye. Let's see what we're playing with. I'm gonna go in with these colors, this color and this one. So there's two. In my transition area around my crease. I use a Morphe 332 brush and then I'm gonna dub into the colors like this. So I go into the same colors and then work on the other eye as well. And I go in with a darker color in the crease area as well. I'm going to use this color right here. Oh, let's see. Oops. I'm going to use this color right here. Let's go into my crease. I'm going to use the same brush for that as well. I start slowly in the outer corner and then I work my way inwards. So now I'm gonna go in into my outer corner with, I'm gonna use Carbon by MAC. I'm actually running out. I'm gonna use a smaller brush. It's gonna be my Morphe 431 brush. And I'm just gonna use a little bit because I don't want it to be too dark. I just use a little bit of product and then I go in. So see, you want to make sure you get just a little bit, enough for you to blend, not too much because you don't want to do a very harsh smoky look. That's not what we're going for. Then I'm going to go on the other side as well and do the same exact thing. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in again with the same brush that I used for the transition color, and then I'm gonna blend everything in. Now I'm gonna go in and conceal the lid again. So we're going to use the Morphe 204 brush to apply the lid colors. I'm going to be using, let's see, this two, so this color and this color. So I'm going to use this in the outer corner of the lid and this in the inner corner of the lid. I'll start off with this one in the outer corner. Like going back with the small brush that I used for the outer corner with the black color carbon. I like going in to blend everything in, because see how it looks harsh right now? I like going in and blending the colors so it doesn't look crazy like it's looking right now. And then I also like putting a little bit more product on there. That way we're not smudging what we already have going on. Alright guys, now I'm going to work on the other eye. I set off by applying concealer to prep the lid. And then I go in with the lid colors that I used for the other eye. They do have a rose gold and a goldish effect that I really love. Once I'm done doing that, I am going to go in with a blending brush that I used for the transition color to just blend those colors in and just make sure we don't have any harsh lines. I then go in with my sharp blending brush that I use for the outer corner and add more of that carbon to just replace any fallout that we had while we were blending the colors in. Now I finish off by blending all the colors in to just make sure everything looks even. I like to go in with the concealer to just clean the eyes up and highlight the brow bone. Use the Morphe 416 brush to just go in there and just clean up that area. So now that I'm done with lashes, I'm gonna go do my foundation. I'm gonna be using the Stay Oil Free Matte Foundation in 28 Clove by Clinique. I love this foundation. I have a creature of habit. When I start using a product, especially foundations, I stick to them. Conceal with the LA Girl concealer. I just never highlight my forehead. Anyway, so I go in with a beauty blender and just blend everything in. I'm gonna go in and bake with the Bay 9 powder in banana. I'm actually running out of this product. I'm running out of a lot of products here, you guys. That is baking. I'm gonna go in and contour. I use the Fenty Beauty Match Stick in Espresso. It dries out so fast, so I always just work in the areas that I'm gonna work in one step at a time. So I start with this area, so I'll go like this and then blend that in and then go to the next part like that. But I just can't put everything in at once because it dries out fast. I use this brush that I got from Sephora. It does not have a number. It says airbrush concealer I can't see the word, brush. I got it from Sephora. I like to start from the bra area and then just work my way down. Forehead. I'm gonna do powder. I use the Mineralized Skin Finish powder by MAC in dark. Go in with my Morphe 400 brush and just blend everything in. Like going in to set my contour with my Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in Mahogany. I'm gonna be using, let's see, the Morphe 104 brush. I'm gonna be using Raisin by MAC. I love this blush. I mean, it's all I use all the time. Literally, it's the only blush that I use. I'm gonna be using the Morphe 106 brush. My camera died on me and I had to like stop filming and just get myself together, but now that I'm back, we're gonna go in and do the lower lash line. I'm gonna use a Morphe 326 brush and go in with Carbon and just line that area. And then I'm gonna go in with the same brush but on the other side, and the same color that we used for the transition area, both colors, and then just go under that eye. Just apply it on the lower lashes. I like to use the tip of the brush because I have more control when I do that, especially when I want to go for volume around my lower lash line. You definitely get that with this method. Now I'm gonna go into my tear duct with this color. I'm gonna highlight with Iridescent Bronze Powder by MAC. I have had this product for over 6 years now. A little goes a long way, for sure. So I'm gonna use Iconic London's Prep Set Glow to set my entire look. I do get very dry. My skin gets really dry in the winter time, so I like to use this product to just moisturize it and keep it from being super dry, especially when I do makeup. Finally, I'm gonna go in and do my lips. I'm gonna be using Bronzer by MAC. Doing my lipstick, I like going in with a concealer to just clean the whole lip, just to make it more sharp and defined. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 416 brush and clean that up. I'm gonna use the MAC and C50 Studio Finish concealer to clean. Alright guys, that's it. This is a finished look. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, hit the bell for notifications, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Bye.